In this episode, we will discuss XRP pricing. Yes, we will discuss the crisis affecting all cryptocurrencies. It looks like a nice market. Looking green, heading higher, and experiencing a slight upswing, it appears to be approaching the bottom of Bitcoin that we previously discussed. Recall that we discussed 60,000 as the bottom area. If that wasn't strong enough, your next, crucial bottom needed to hold at 58,000. We had to be careful to hold the ball at level 58,000 because if we hadn't, it would have been a free-for-all down to the $50,000 to $52,000 range. How does it appear? This is what happened. We held 58, and we're currently hovering between 64,000 and 74,000. The next bull market is underway, and while there may be a slight increase in Bitcoin prices, there may yet be a drop. Back down to that 58,000 region, and perhaps even 52,000, we won't be talking about that just yet. We'll get to that in a moment. Without further ado, let's begin. Bitcoin costs $3,950. Currently, Ethereum is up 3.42% or 4.76% over the last 24 hours to close at 3,147. Throughout the last 24 hours, USDT and USDC have both entered their dollar pegs as XRP. It's now on a slight run. 54 pennies on the final day, it increased by 3.67%. Where are we headed? The overall market capitalization of cryptocurrencies was still below the all-time high of roughly 2.7 to 2.8 trillion reached during the bull run of 2020 to 2021, coming in at 291 billion. The crucial question is where to go from here, because, as you can see, Bitcoin is only in the range. Nothing exceptional or magical exists. At this point, we absolutely need to focus on 68K and aim to break above 74,000. It's currently at 64,000. In the last 3 days, I believe we've sold 60. I haven't had the time to process orders yet, but today they'll quickly disappear from the shelves. If you hold on to any of these, you will receive 30% back in XRP from the project. The more you hold, the more you receive. It's that easy. This will only encourage more people to visit. We also have a betting system and an upcoming metaverse in place. The concept is really optimistic, and we do offer utility. Here's a metaverse called TCG World. We believe our companion is made up of 4 elements, so please come along with us. There is no weakness in this energy. Take a peek at that here. You desire to witness a genuine metaverse. This will be the largest metaverse to integrate the XRP ledger. For now, he's in Las Vegas. Friday's scheduled completion Proa Productions unpublished documentary, XRP. They showed a brief snippet, and I believe they mentioned that Joel Katz and Brad Garlinghouse will be appearing in the documentary. They then discussed UFAL's and Ripple's partnering policies on Capitol Hill, private equity, IPO sessions, creating an interconnected global network, and safeguarding the dollar. Caleb and Brown are going to present today, in case you're unaware. Jen Uphold will be there for Caleb Brown's onboarding and offboarding, which are essentially crypto holdings. David Schwartz will be giving a quick presentation with Rachel from 150 to 2115. If you're in XRP Las Vegas, go check it out. I hope everything is going great for you. Hopefully, I really do. Their continued membership in the XRP community upholds the religion. It maintains the hope that you will, go to a little hour by Die Believable. Blockchain lay out the chart, and let's discuss. Let's talk about Bitcoin's pricing and current market state. He claims he is now searching for 2 major situations on the platform. We maintain the local highs we broke above and progressed to significant resistance on the green road, which is the optimal path. Thanks to this, I'll be able to fill in the shorts and several adults. We notice an early breakdown in the perfect short zone, not an IDE deal that we failed to regain. The board, the red path, and the red down the majority of alumni have unfulfilled expectations, so we'll see how things stand tomorrow in the meantime. In the meantime, you may watch the video to find out why I'm so focused on finding the shorts here. Now that we've reached that significant resistance, let's move on. zone, as I already mentioned, your main resistance is 68 to roughly 712, which is where I have it. He wants us to go there if there is a breakdown and we are unable to break above the resistance, which is where we are currently sitting, the resistance around the 60, 62, or 65, because that is where we need to break above and divide. We are currently in the middle of that zone, so if we can break out, that would be the last dip. If not, we will see the next push-up. If we fail to break out of this small resistance between 63 and 65,000, we will see another downward move in the price of Bitcoin. Pardon me. In the $52,000 region, there will be 100% play. Hey guys, I don't want to break 52 for the total. We wish to ascend once more. That's what his eyes are focused on. We want to break out of that $74,000 range and see this resistance. That's what we're looking for in Bitcoin. We need to take risks to achieve our goals. If we breach $74,000, we will be in the last wave of Bitcoin, and we will witness it burst after going completely parabolic. Remember that this is Bitcoin's year. We'll watch alt and see if Ethereum increases. Next year, Michael Saylor will share this clip with us. He's just a scared man. Why is he afraid? His fear stems from the fact that he only owns Bitcoin. The rest is what he fears. It is readily available in the United States. Yes, you are correct that Ripple Cardano will be considered a security firm this summer, and Wall Street will never find the firm intriguing. It's an organization. Although they want to issue stocks, shares, and IPOs, XRP is not a security. We know you ought to pay attention to this. We'll know when Ethereum gains acceptance and when it doesn't. This summer, the acceptance of Ethereum will become evident. Ethereum is considered a crypto asset security, not a commodity, according to everyone. The Ethereum BNB Ripple will then become visible. Solana Cardano, everything at the bottom of the stack is simply unregistered crypto asset security. Neither Wall Street nor mainstream institutional investors will ever cover them as crypto assets or recognize them as such. There is just one agreement among them all: globally recognized institutional-grade cryptocurrency assets. Well, let's make a call. What is it that Michael SAA has to keep safe? His financial commitment. He has to discuss his book. He claims that his book is about Bitcoin, but according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, the cryptocurrency will function similarly to Napster, aka Apple Music, but it won't be allowed. Regulations are quite significant. Ripple has always supported regulations because they understand that they will have the final say in who survives and who doesn't. There's a little teaser for us right there. XRP is the new Bitcoin. For this purpose, Ripple is undertaking. Ripple, as described in the book, is not a flimsy venture. Instead, it strives to transform the financial landscape and leave a lasting impact on the universe. That's exactly what they're doing, leading us to Kaboom's third eager cryptocurrency, XRP. Let's explore the monthly time frame and see how price activity interacts with the 21 EMA. The XRP price is, well, dancing. Folks, the Kaboom God candle is going to change everything when it happens. This represents the entire market capitalization of the cryptocurrency XRP. We are waiting for this to blow up, as you can see by the green dot line where we have been dancing. Pay attention as we approach 2.27 FIB 959 billion. That nearly puts XRP's markup at $20. 1.618283. After all, at the end of the day, $50 or $100 of XRP may never come around again. In reality, what are we looking at? Let's begin at the all-time high of $3. After that, we can aim for the $7 range, which is feasible for 10 to 13 to 17 to 24. If we receive $1, it's on the table. Even with its $1 trillion market capitalization, XRP is still in its infancy. It is now only worth 53 cents. Still have a ways to go. You have 75 cents. The next obstacle is due 30, the first hurdle. I hope everything works out this year. The fund will start to remember that the closer XRP gets to $1 before Bitcoin takes off on its run, the more likely it is that we will see a $7 to $13 XRP in the coming year. I hope that this cycle will occur. That's what I'm trying to convey to everyone. Could we make it? It's conceivable, people. It is entirely feasible. Remain strong and maintain your faith.